Hi, let's discuss the solution of the given question. Here our task is to evaluate the given limit. Solution first, let's write the given limit. Solution, here the given limit is limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2x, the numerator, into 3 plus cos x by x into tan 4x. This is the given limit. Here simply you can apply the simple formulas. Now let's write this side the required formulas. Here in the numerator there is a 1 minus cos 2x. There is a direct formula, 1 minus cos 2x equal to 2 sin square x. 1 minus cos 2x equals to 2 sin square x. 2 sin square x. Next, after substituting this 2 sin square x, we are getting a sin x by x form. So limit x tends to 0. There is a formula, limit x tends to 0, sin x by x, which is equals to 1. So in the denominator there is a tan also is there. So limit x tends to 0, tan x by x equals to 1. So these are the required formulas to evaluate the given limit. The next step, which is equals to limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2x, how much? 2 sin square x. 2 sin square x, 2 sin square x by, there is a denominator x is there, and at the same time in the denominator there is a tan 4x. I want to write 1 by tan 4x. Let me readjust the given fraction, 1 by tan 4x, so that we can apply easily the formulas. And next in the numerator 3 plus cos x remains. So in the next step I want to write the given function in the form sin x by x into some x by tan x, so that I can apply these formulas. So in the next step, limit x tends to 0, so 2 is there, sin square x, but in the denominator there is x only. So I want to multiply 1x and at the same time divide the x. So finally we are getting sin square x by x square. Sin square x by x square can be written as sin by x, sin x by x whole square. But I have to multiply with the x. Why? I divided already x. So here I am going to adjust x by tan 4x. X by tan 4x. But here there is a theta of 4x. So now we will multiply with 4 and divide with 4, so that we can get 4x. In the numerator 4x, here there is a division and multiplication of 4x. 4 here multiplied 4 in the numerator and divided with 1 by 4, or multiplied with 1 by 4, sorry. Next, into 3 plus cos x. 3 plus cos x. So in the next step, which is equals to, directly I am applying the limit. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x whole square means only 1. 2 is already there. 2 into 1. Next, there is a 1 by 4 is there. 1 by 4 is there. Limit x tends to 0 means 4x also tends to 0. 4x by tan x means 1 only. So this is also 1 into 3 plus cos x is there. Simply substitute x equal to 0. Cos 0, 1. 3 plus 1. So in the next step, 2 into 1 by 4 into 4. 4 gets cancelled 2. This is the required answer. So now let's compare with the given options. What are the given options here? First option 1 by 2. This is incorrect. Second option, this is incorrect. 1. Third option is 2. This is the correct option. So at last, what is the process we applied here? Simply we applied 3 formulas. So what are the formulas here? 1 minus cos 2x equal to 2 sin square x, that is the first formula we applied here in the numerator, and then we applied the limit formulas, means limit x tends to 0, sin x by x equals to 1, and limit x tends to 0, tan x by x equals to 1. Finally we got the limit value is 2. This is the required conclusion. Thanks for watching. All the best.